Hey, howdy folks. It's a new day. We're back on this beautiful beach again for take a little walk around. Today I'm gonna show you how incredible it is here. This beautiful morning, vibes, landscape, ocean. So this morning is so beautiful. I'm so happy being here because it's really important for me. Show you that for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please come with me and enjoy this walk. Let's go walk here, guys. How do you like this view, guys? The reef. So anyway, I would like to talk with you about that place. This is Nishan City, and right now it's high season here. It's middle June. It's extremely dry season. Sky is clear. Ocean really calm that time, cause sometime here we have a lot of big wave and strong wind. It's common problem here, but now it's cool. But you know, this time for locals, cause they love to take some vacation between May and September, and a lot of locals come here that time. But honestly, it's not so bad, because locals don't like spend their time on the beach during the day. Honestly, they love come here early morning and evening. It's right now, it's sunset time. Therefore, you can spend your time easily here, because you can see it's empty. Nobody is here. It's really empty, completely empty. This beach for you guys. But now it's high season. But you look that. But if I show you some videos from evening, you can see a lot of locals over here. It's thousand and thousand. But not now, guys. We're continuing our journey. Hope you like this video, guys. I'm heading to the end of this beach. I before told you about this beach because it's around 5 or 6 kilometers long. It's good for walking, jogging as well, for a lot of activities you can take here. It's easy. Every day I come here for my morning walk to show you that. After then, usually I do my workout and go to swim. Then I'm going to breakfast, and then I gotta work. But sometimes I do that, sometimes no. Today is a good day to take some rest. This day I'm going to visit maybe market, maybe buy some fruits, cause maybe buy something yet, and maybe I do some videos for you and show how to cool wear. Why not? This area for tourists, cause here a lot of five stars hotels. You can take some sunbaths over here. I think it's around 100 Vietnamese dong for per day. It's a really comfortable price. It's around $4 for a day. Why not? a little bit hot outside today. It's around maybe 32 degrees, I think. But if I come here afternoon, it's gonna be 30 maybe. It's incredible. But honestly, it's a little bit hot to spend it all day on the beach. Water is really warm. I heard tourists talk about that. They really like it and they enjoy being here. Right now it's a little bit tired. It's low tide, therefore it's comfortable to go here. Oh my gosh, I really love it. If you would like to visit Vietnam one day, I totally recommend it to visit Nha Trang City for beach holidays and for beach vacation, because it's really worth it, because it's the most popular place for that. I know a lot of people know just only Da Nang City. It's cool as well, but from my point of view, I think Nha Trang City is a little bit better, because vibe here much better, I think. Yeah guys, it's garden area here. It's pretty cool. It's so green, a lot of flowers you can see over there like that. It's my favorite place for spending my time every morning, because I can hear it. Sometimes I hear a lot of birds here, but now it's construction something over there. It's a little bit noisy, and some locals turn on the music. It's not so good. Okay guys, let's continue our walking tour around the main beach in Nha Trang City. It's restoration, something over here. I hope it's gonna be great place for resting, because you can see over there some swimming pool area. I think it's gonna be beach club maybe. So nice. I don't know who is restoring that, but we'll see. I think it's gonna be open soon. This area where you can find a roll of shadow is good, because you can lay down over here and don't rent some bathing. If you wouldn't like to spend your money, why not? It's a good way. It's pretty empty today morning. Nobody is here, because, by the way, it's Friday, and obviously it should be really noisy and crowded area, but not today. Honestly, I don't know why. Okay guys, you can see there's some man who sell some pie. It's good things. I already tried it. It's really tasty. It's a little bit sweet and it has a lot of filling inside there. I hope you like this place, guys. If you have some opinion about our walk, please leave your comments. Subscribe my channel, like this video. I really appreciate it for your time here. I make video for you guys, and please like this video. It's really important for me. You can see some tourists chilling over there. But now it's summertime, therefore you can see a lot of tourists from Europe, United States as well. But here a lot of tourists from Australia. I guess because there is winter sun. Winter has come there, and therefore a lot of people from Australia came here at that time. The bar is good spot to chilling, evening over here, any evening, because you can get a good view from here, good music, vibes as well. In our place, the sun button. Nice. Okay guys, thank you so much for your watching. I'm gonna swim. I really appreciate it for your time. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. I hope it's gonna be a great day, and I wish you the same. See you, bye.